Hello, people. What's up? Um, well, I'm doing great, and today I decided to create this video for all English speakers because I noticed they have many problems when they start to study Spanish or Slavic language and so on, because they need more time to learn how to uh, pronounce appropriately the vowels like A, E, O, U, and I. Okay? So, so now I will write you all of these 5 letters here on my whiteboard, and I will explain you one by one how to pronounce it. So, the point of this is that we pronounce each letter according to this how much do we need to open the mouth. Okay, so the first one, of course, is when we need to open it so strongly. So okay, so it's normal when we go to the dentist, they will say because if you open it so strongly, yeah, so he or she can control your teeth. So in the same way, like it is open, we write this so when you're at the dentist, you don't you say exactly that. So you say yeah, not a, because if you would try to say a, so no, the dentist can't do anything, right? So actually this is correct. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, so that was the first. Ah. The next one is a, a, a. So from I go up, ah, a, a, a. Okay, so it's almost like a little bit break, like when we want to close gently, but it's still open. Ah, a, a. Okay, so you say a, a, a. Okay, then the next one is the letter E, E, E. So from A, E, E. Here we have E, so it's always stretching. E, E, E. Like when you say cheese, E. Okay? So as in cheese. So this E. Okay? So then, so we have O, O, O. So take a look. A, E, E, O, O. So here already it's getting closer and closer. So it means that you put practically your mouth, I mean, and your lips in this form of the circle. I'm sorry for my terrible circle here. So it's O, O, O. So, so yeah, it's O. Don't try to put O, O, almost like in the form of kissing. So imagine this, like imagine like that you want to give like a big kiss, like, and then your mouths are closed. I mean, I posed like that, you know. So oh, oh, oh. I'm pretty sure that you once heard the song like "Oh sole mio." So for all Italian speakers, this is perfectly clear. Yeah. So oh, oh, oh. Okay, not oh. Forget about this. Okay. So this is wrong, and this is correct. Oh. And the last one is ooh. Ooh. So it's like in moon. Okay? So not you. Okay? So let's repeat once again. A, a, e, e, I, o, u, u. So pay attention. So when you say almost everything come up into your mouth. Ah, okay. When you say it's still possible, but with a little bit of difficulties. Eh, okay. Then e, e. We usually say it when we want to smile. Yeah. So e, e. Okay. And then o, so we are closing gently. Oh, oh, and finally, ooh. So I can't even put my finger when I say ooh, ooh. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, great. I hope you enjoyed. Please, as a repetition, repeat. I'm so sorry. As a repetition, repeat all of these. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and well, if you like this video, please feel free to share this video with your contacts, and of course to leave a comment down. Okay, so have a nice day or evening, whatever, and take care. Bye bye.